back to another Allure Beauty box unboxing. This one is the May 2021 box, so yeah, I fell a little behind, but oh well. No harm done. So let's see, we got a bunch of papers right on top here. So we have our little booklet. There's a lot to unpack. Tips from our editors to help you get the most out of the products in your beauty box. I'll read this after. Shop like a beauty editor. Oh, it's got the link for the exclusive sets. The drug facts for a sunscreen that's in here, and then our little thingy. So, okay. Allure Beauty Box. Power list. For many of us, the line between work life and home was obliterated last year, and the concept of multitasking took on new meaning. But just when I thought I was becoming a truly masterful, if exhausted juggler, this month's box came in and made me look like I'm dialing it in. The skincare and makeup inside have got to compromise the hardest working lineup of beauty products you'll find. They are cleverly formulated to imbue a laundry list of benefits because we know the time you spend putting them on is precious. So the first thing we've got in here, let's find it. It's definitely a sample size. Is the Augustinus Bader The Rich Cream. So the full-size version of this is $265, which would be why we have a sample size that is like that big. So, okay, yeah, I definitely understand why they couldn't shell out to give us all the full size, since, you know, it's like a $25 box. Kind of cool textured box, though, I have to admit. So, I'm a 10-step skincare maximalist. Me too. But skinimalism is trending, and Augustinus Bader is the Heathers of the beauty world, an instant cult hit. So I put my serums in a drawer and tried this, get ready for a long list, Smoothing, Brightening, Hydrating, Soothing Cream. It contains amino acids, vitamins, squalane, and hyaluronic acid. The formula is dense, so a little goes a long way. One pump in the morning and another each evening have made my skin gleam without the white cast other heavy creams tend to leave on my olive complexion. I don't always use it under foundation, but if I do use it religiously at night for calming my... but I do use it religiously at night for calming my dry, irritated skin. So next, I think this one is maybe full size? Yeah, this one I believe is full size. So this is the Wander Beauty Site C, like letter C, or Vitamin C Concentrate. And this is $42. This is the model, actor, singer-songwriter of skincare. If it had an Instagram bio, it would read something like Brightener, Hydrator, Wrinkle Reducer, Skin Protector. See, we weren't kidding about skinimalism trending. The texture is between a lotion and a serum, slightly creamy and 100% a joy to apply. My skin drinks up the formula, which is fortified with vitamin C to brighten, niacinamide to help plump fine lines, squalane to strengthen the skin barrier, and hyaluronic acid for lasting hydration. It's taken the place of 3 steps in my skincare routine and layers nicely without pilling under sunscreen and makeup. And apparently you can buy this on Amazon, because that's where they link to buy it. I had no idea. Huh. Okay. Next thing in here, I think this is also full size. This is the Josephine Cosmetics Liquid Lipstick in Tiffane, or a really weird spelling of Tiffany, maybe. So this costs $30, and it looks like this. Obviously, the color goes on, it's going to be something down, like, at this end, not the black end. So, kind of cool. Kind of gives me, that, like, whatever Lady Gaga's brand is, like, House, whatever it is, like, H-A-U-S. Makes me think of that. After more than a year of wearing face masks, I miss lipstick. I've started wearing it as much as possible at home, and it's a comfort. I may be in sweats, but with lipstick I feel pulled together and ready to attack the workday. Honestly, same. This blue-based red liquid formula is my kind of color. Its teardrop applicator spreads the shade evenly and neatly, and the precise tip is great for defining my lip line. It dries down quickly, and while it does transfer a bit, say, onto my coffee mug, it also stays bold on my lips for hours. By the time I wash my face in the evening, it has barely faded. That's always good to hear. That is what I like to hear. Okay, let's see here. Next, Where's the next one? Ooh. Oh, is this another full-size one? The CosRx Propolis Light Ampule, which costs $28. I do believe this is full size. Let's carefully... Oh. Yeah, I have to rip it to show you guys, but that's okay. That's alright. Oh wow, yeah, that's definitely the full-size one. Weirdly, it looks like frosted glass, but it's plastic. It's trippy. Okay, but yeah, that's what it looks like. I'll keep it in here for now, until I'm ready to use it. So, it says, have you thanked a bee today? I'm sorry, I was not expecting that. Let's try that again. Have you thanked a bee today? These insects help regulate the natural world and, in their spare time, make skincare. CosRx Ampule, a heavy skin serum, more of a skin syrup, contains propolis extract, a resin that bees use to help build hives. CosRx is harvested without hurting bees. Studies show propolis is rich in antioxidant flavonoids, minerals, and vitamins B, C, and E. That is to say, the serum is hydrating and it calms redness. I caught myself in the mirror and saw skin as clean... No, I'm sorry. Skin as clear as honey. Thanks, bees! I'm sorry, I'm still cracking up. Have you thanked a bee today? It was so not where I thought that was going. Okay, this one's a sample size. This is the Belief Moisturizing Eye Balm. I actually have a different eye cream from Belief that I got through Allure that I really, really like. So hopefully this will be another one of those. So this costs $48 for the full size, but the full size is bigger. I'm a huge fan of this K-Beauty brand, and their cooling gel cream is like a refreshing drink for my under eyes. Its soothing formula includes tiger grass, a popular K-Beauty ingredient, and maybe some magic, too. It manages to calm the redness that always seems to pop up on my irritated under eyes, and it softens my stressed skin with hydrating glycerin and squalane. After a few minutes, the delicate area feels reinvigorated and smooth, and my makeup blends seamlessly on top. Again, always a good thing. Ooh, we have a shit mask, and it's Purelisse. This is the Purelisse Matcha Green Tea Antioxidant Sheet Mask. So it's just one, obviously, but you can buy a pack of 6 for $28. Purelisse, why are you so expensive, bro? Okay, since I don't drink coffee, matcha is one of my primary sources of caffeine, also Diet Coke. While the tea makes my body feel more energized, this matcha-infused mask perks up my skin in the mornings. I let this mask work its magic for 15 minutes while I do my hair. The matcha the matcha delivers antioxidants, makes my skin dewy, and gives me a dose of hydration that makes my makeup go on more seamlessly. When the time is up, some of the mask's serum is left on my skin. I pat it in for an extra glow, and I'm ready to seize the day. Well, I do love Purelisse, and I love most of their matcha line anyway, so I have high hopes for that. And then we have, like, one of these, like, they threw this in as, like, a sponsored item, so we have a little itty-bitty sample of the Cetaphil Sheer Mineral Face Liquid Sunscreen in SPF 50. So, again, definitely a useful thing. Now I will read that other paper that was in here. Transition Tips, Summer Skincare. Number 1, cut down on tub time. Between workouts, beach days, and sticky weather, many of us bathe more often during the summer, but too long or too hot showers can dry out skin, leading to redness and irritation. Keep it short, around 4 or 5 minutes. Step 2, use a lighter face wash. When the weather becomes warmer and more humid, swap out cream and oil cleansers in favor of gentle foaming formulas to prevent breakouts, especially if you have oily or acne-prone skin. Step 3, exfoliate more often. Summer is the season to slough away. Use a gentle scrub once a week, or if you have oily skin, try a weekly treatment with alpha hydroxy acid, AHA pads, to open up blocked pores and remove oils that result in acne. Step 4, brighten up with vitamin C. Well, I do that year-round. Vitamin C is an ideal ingredient to use in the summer because it provides extra protection against UV damage. It also promotes healthy collagen production and reduces inflammation and hyperpigmentation. Layer on a concentrated serum like Wander Beauty's Sightseer in this month's beauty box after cleansing and before applying any other products. Step 5, don't stop moisturizing. And I definitely read that to the tune of Don't Stop Believin'. Even if your skin already feels oily, you should always follow cleansing with a moisturizer, like the one from Augustinus Bader in this month's Beauty Box. It will help reestablish your skin's outer barrier to protect against pollutants and free radicals and decrease the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Step 6. It's what's inside that counts. If your skin is flaky, tight, dull, or breaking out, your body might not be getting enough water. Try to drink 8 glasses a day and more in high temperatures or if you're particularly active. And step 7. Wear sunscreen all day, every day. The most important part of your routine is sunscreen. Make sure it has an SPF of 30 or higher, like the one from Cetaphil in this month's Beauty Box, and apply it on all exposed skin, including hands, feet, ears, and lips. Truth, I do tend to forget the ears. Thank you for that reminder. Yeah, I mean, granted, my hair tends to cover them, but at the same time, it would be good to get in the habit of remembering to do the ears too, because I do tend to forget to do the ears, but I do everywhere else. So, anyways, that was the May Allure Beauty Box that I got, so hopefully you enjoyed this. If you did, go ahead and give this a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. What are you the most excited to see me review first out of this box? Let me know, as well as anything about anything. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, bye!